Let fx be this. Okay, so factor of x plus 5 means you substitute -5, you get 0. So you have 2 -5 cubed plus a -5 squared plus 3 -5 plus b equals to 0. So you take out your calculator and work it out. Plus 25a minus 15 plus b equals to 0. Okay, then the next one, you can consider the next part. Leaves a remainder of 6 when divided by x minus 1. It means f, wait, what happened? It means f1 will give you the remainder, which is 6. Okay, so you substitute it inside. Can you try yourself? Two plus a plus, okay, so you rewrite it. So a plus b gives you what? Okay, so you can call this equation 1, equation 2. So now you need to solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. Okay, so I want to solve simultaneous equation. So I can take equation 1 minus equation 2. I will get 25a plus b minus a minus b equals to 265 minus 1. So I will have 24a is 264. A equals to 11. Is that right? Okay, then sub into equation 2. So 11 plus b equals to 1. B is -10. Okay, so therefore conclude my answer. A is 11, b is -10. This is my answer. Okay, so this is your part 1. Okay, now how do you do your part 2? Now you're asked to solve. Okay, but this expression is so long, it's x cubed. Okay, so in order to solve, you need to do your long division. Okay, and make this a product of the linear and the quadratic. So I do my long division. Okay, so just now I use my value of a and b. So I replace the value. Plus 11x squared plus 3x minus 10. Now divide by what? Joven, what do I divide by? If I want to find the other factor, what do I divide by? So you think about it. If you want to get a denominator 0, you want to get your remainder 0, what must you divide by? Which numbers do I divide by? So think about it. Do I divide by, let's see, do I divide by x plus 5 or x minus 1? Which one? Joven? X plus 5 or x minus 1? So now you think about it. If you want your remainder to be 0, only way your remainder is 0 is when you divide by a factor. Okay? So you think about it. If you divide by x minus 1, if I put x minus 1 here, then I will get a 6 here. I will get a remainder 6. So I shouldn't do that. So instead, I should divide by x plus 5. I divide by the factor. Okay, so can I get you to do it now? Okay, once you have done your long division, you should get this minus x plus x minus 2. Okay, so you will get this. So therefore, they say you want to solve this, right? So you realize that your 2x cubed plus your a is 11, right? 11x squared minus 3x minus 10. If it's equals to 0, in other words, you can also rewrite it as x plus 5, 2x squared plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Make sense? Right, so to solve is either your x plus 5 is 0 or your 2x squared plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, I give you the hint. You do this. Okay, so either one of them is equal to 0, and then you use your quadratic formula. Okay, so I do the first one for you. I put all here. 2x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0, and you use your quadratic formula. You remember your quadratic formula? Minus b plus minus square root. Okay, you got no space, but you can try it out on your own. You look at the question. Do you realize the question already gave you the hint? The question says, live in non-integer roots. Doesn't this look like your quadratic formula form? Yeah? Something plus minus square root over something. So this is a hint to tell you that you can use your quadratic formula. Okay? So can I leave this to you? You finish this up? Okay, so once you use your quadratic formula, you should get this value. You double check. Okay, I'll use the purple color to continue here. You should get negative 1 plus minus square root 17 over 4. You should get these two answers. Do you get it? You should get x is negative 5 or x equals to this. There are two answers here. One is a plus, one is a minus. Okay, I highlight this for you. So you have two answers here. This or this. Okay, these are the two answers you have. X is three answers, sorry. X equals to negative 5, x equals to negative plus square root 17 over 4, and x equals to negative minus square root 17 over 4. There are two answers here, one answer here. Total three answers.